In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable platform switching on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in your menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Motor and select where it says Switch Control. And then it says Allow platform switching to control your computer. Click on Set It Oval to toggle that off. You may need to enter in your computer password to confirm and then select Unlock. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.